welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a happy planner haul. If you guys have been following my planner journey lately, I recently switched to a happy planner, so I figured I would pick up some happy planner things. So let's just get into this haul. So the first thing that I picked up are these like half sheet grocery list / meal plan. So like on the front, I'll show you guys in like an overhead shot, but you have the front, which is just a grocery list, and then the back says don't forget, and then it has a section for meal ideas. And I really like this because I like to just see everything in my planner. So I like to have like separate notes that I can just stick in my planner and have, and this would be great because then I can just take this list, take it to the grocery store, check off everything, or when I'm ordering groceries online, check everything off as I put it in my cart. And yeah, I just was really excited about this actually, adulting. So next up is this weekly meal plan, and this is also a half sheet, or a half, I think that's what they call it, half sheet insert. So it just has, you know, Monday through Sunday on one side and then a grocery list on the other. So I know I got these grocery lists, but this one comes with it too. I really wanted this more just for the front, just so I could write down like what we're having each day. But I mean, this grocery list works too, and now we have extra, so thumbs up for that. Next up, I got these Mickey Mouse, Mickey Minnie envelopes. Yeah, plastic envelopes that just snap into your planner. I thought this would be great to snap in like receipts or anything that I need to keep track of. So my plan is to take all of my receipts for my business, put them in here, and then at the end of the month, go ahead and put them into QuickBooks and just like stay organized that way, because I'm kind of the worst at bookkeeping and I really need to get better. So I just figured if I had these, I could just snap them in my planner and at the end of the month, gather them all up, put them in QuickBooks, and stay on top of things. So next I have these Mickey Mouse Disney inspired half sheets. This just says take note, and then there's like a to-do list. I couldn't think of what I'm trying to say here. And then there's like some grid paper at the bottom, and on the back it just says create your own magic, and there's lines and you can just write out stuff. So this I really like because in addition to having my weekly spread, I've also been combining it with a daily to-do list. And this is a list I put like literally everything I need to do. So I put like make my bed, take my vitamins, take my allergy medicine, water my plants. But so I have tasks like design stickers or get orders done or edit, film videos, anything that I need to do during the day, I put on this list. And you guys, I feel so much more productive when I have a to-do list, and I love that I can just snap it in my planner and it's right there with my weekly spread. I can kind of like mark off everything at once, and I just feel so much more put together when I have like a to-do list, but especially one that like already snaps into the planner for you. I love half sheets. So I got this, I was really on a Disney kick. I'm so happy that Happy Planner has a Disney line. So this is just some grid paper over here, and then some lined stuff right here, and then on the back there's more like grid paper, so you can just kind of have a good old brain dump. And I like to use these pages for things like mapping out a routine, or if I need to plan out like my new releases and kind of like I said, have a brain dump, but have it like in my planner, make the page cute, but still like, you know, video ideas, all of that. Like I actually should show you guys the front of my planner because I have some regular paper from Happy Planner that I've just mapped out all of those things, but I have a lot more things I want to map out, so I figured having some cute paper, some filler paper would be great. Going along with that, we have more filler paper. This one's lined paper, and the reason I got it was because it was lined paper, and I thought that that would be good to write down everything, because as much as I like grid paper and it's great for kind of creating your own spread and bullet journaling, I like to have just a good like lined paper, you know? So that's what I got. The last thing's pretty boring, but it is just another thing of regular lined paper. Like I said, I have a lot of things that I want to put in my planner this year, and I want to make it like where everything is together, you know, video ideas, sticker ideas, just everything for my business and home. I want it all in one place, so lined paper is the way to go for me, and so I just got more filler paper. Alright guys, so that is everything that I picked up from the Happy Planner. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also, leave a comment telling me below like what I need for my Happy Planner, because I feel like it's so overwhelming when you go on the website. There's just so many things, but I really, you know, my goal this year is to have just planner peace and have everything in one planner. And that's just what I really like about the Happy Planner system, is you can literally just like punch something and put it in your planner, unlike coil bound planners where you can't really do that. So that to me is really exciting. So let me know if there's anything that I need to pick up from Happy Planner, because I need it apparently. So let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.